cute.
Wow.
Look at this.
When you're all done,
Sure.
Jaden, when you're all done with your presents, you can put on your new nightgown, okay?
Oh, and look at these little pants.
Those are
Yay. Look at this nightgown.
When you're all done opening presents, you can wear your nightgown.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Wow.
That's for me. That's Uncle Steve's nightgown.
No!
Yes!
No, it's not!
I'm gonna wear it.
No, it's mine!
We'll share it.
No!
Okay, pick another present.
Get another one.
Woohoo, bring it over to me so I can cut it open for you. Cool. Okay, now sit. Sit. Up here. Oh, there we go. Oh my goodness. What is that, Jade? It's a tutu.
Oh
Oh, how pretty.
Who's that from? You? How cute.
Leggings.
Oh, cute. Oh, look at she's sitting on it right now.
And more leggings.
Wow.
Actually, cross. Don't take it.
Actually, I take it back. This is from Jeff and me.
Very cute.
Oh, look at she has a...
What do you love it?
Fancy.
Do you love your tutu? Shorts. Look at the cute clothes.
Nice.
She wants to try everything on at once.
Oh my gosh, another princess one. She broke her last
Make it work.
one.
Jaden, say bibbidi bobbidi boo.
Very cute. Grandma's a Jeff. Okay.